Again, another incredible week of learning Musar Yomi with this fabulous Hachzik program as we continue learning about Bitachon. In the Chovos Halevavos by the Rabbeinu Bechayai, explaining how to live our lives with the clear understanding that HaKadosh Baruch Hu is the ultimate and only address. And step 2, what we do as our Ishtadlis, being the conduit, being the vehicle to bring about that which needs to happen. So continues the Chovos Halevavos to page 184 in the article edition as he explains the fine nuance between the Hishtadlus, that which we need to do when it comes to the way we live our personal lives, we'll call it, to be healthy, to have our parnasa, etc. And what is the Hishtadlus when it comes to mitzvahs, our spiritual life. Says the Chovos Halevavos, v'hefresh, and the difference. When we're serving Hashem and all other actions, with regards to bitachon, with regard to everything else, when we want to figure something out, we want to achieve a certain goal, we don't necessarily know which way is toiv, and which way is more effective in order to get to our intended result. Nor the negative, nor that which could detract. Biksasam, biltiksasam, all the different disadvantages. Meaning when it comes to the materialistic pursuits, we don't necessarily know which choice is going to be the right one. Why not? Because we don't know with absolute precision which work, which job, which diet, which health is the right way for us. To have health, to have parnasa, to have other material benefits. Nor do we know which business or which road, which actions of the worldly actions that will succeed. Once we get involved in them, so in all the materialistic, physical pursuits, be it a job, be it our health, in all the different areas, we try our best to figure it out. We try to utilize that which we were taught by the Chovos Halevavos, figure our own techunas hanefesh, to try to see areas that we excel, and then we try to do our best. And therefore, it makes a lot of sense. It's of course incumbent upon us to rely, have bitachon in HaKadosh Baruch Hu. In regards to choosing and in regards to the hashlama, whether it will happen. We have bitachon, we have trust in Hashem that we made the right choice, and we have trust and faith and confidence that Hashem will enable it to come to its fruition if it should. Lazreinu, to help us, in order to help us aid, push, choose to go down that right road once we're involved in it. And therefore we dive into Hashem to open up our hearts, to choose that which is right, and that which is most befitting and that which will benefit us the most. So that is all in the materialistic, physical pursuits, the way we go about it. We try our best, we think about it, we choose a path, and then we have bitachon, and then we daven that both in the actions and in the result, Hashem should help us and aid us. Avol, says the Chovos Halevavos, when it comes to serving Hashem, when it comes to performing mitzvahs and avodah, it's not the same. Then why is it not the same? Because Hashem already told us which is the correct path. And He commanded us to choose that path. And HaKadosh Baruch Hu, of course, gave us the ability to make that choice, to go down that road. So if we're going to down with Hashem, please allow me to make the right choice. And we're going to rely on Him to show us the right way. We're going to go astray. We're not going to be davening appropriately. And our bitachon is going to be foolish. Why? Because Hashem already told us. We're davening to Hashem. Tell us what to do. We're having bitachon. He'll enable us to choose the right path. Ridiculous! Hashem already told you to do the mitzvahs. You already opened our eyes. What is the right path? That which will be good for us in this world and the next. As the Pasuk in Devarim says, Hashem has commanded us to do all these laws, to do that which is good all our days. And regarding Olam Haba, it will be a stuck, it will be a merit for us if we're careful to perform all the mitzvahs. And finally, we conclude today, which Chovos Halevavos gives us one more reason with regard that we need Hashem's help and guidance more in the physical than the spiritual. When it comes to the physical world, certain time, things that seem positive are really negative, and things that seem negative are really positive. Mitzvahs and Averos are not that way. There's nothing that, this mitzvah is a mitzvah and ends up on Averos. No, not possible. That which is negative, that which is positive will never change. With that, we conclude today's share as we have to realize and open our eyes that it's a fine nuance of bitachon, but the world of a difference. That in the physical, materialistic, we have to have bitachon, we have to ask for help in the choice itself. When it comes to the mitzvahs, we know the choice, we know the avenue, we know we have to do. The bitachon there is a slightly finer nuance, is in the completion, asking Hashem to aid us in doing that which we need to do.